So you can't just buy any random stock. You have to be prepared. You need a watch list. So I'm going to go over exactly how I build my watch list every single day. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here with a grand lesson about building watch lists. Before I get into it, I want to remind you, click subscribe, click the little ringing bell so that you get notified of my next video lessons. Studying is the key to success. Preparation, I know it's not that fun, but it is true. So if you understand that, leave a comment underneath this video saying, I will prepare. 3 words. I want to hear you say it. I want to see you type it. That is what is required to be successful. I have 5 millionaire students. I've basically made $5 million. It's due to preparation. You cannot be too over-prepared. It's very easy to be under-prepared. So how do I build my watch list? Well, first of all, I have actual different watch lists that I send out. Click the links below. I'm going to give you some different options. You can either get my weekly watch list, which is 1 watch list per week, and it is totally free. Or you can sign up for my premium newsletter and you get a watch list every single day. You choose your dedication level. I just watch stocks. I'm talking about stocks that I might trade, I might buy, I might short. I just want to prepare you. But how do I actually get these stocks on my watch list? Well, there is one tool that you should be using. I'm going to post that link below here too. So you will have the choice of a free watch list, a premium watch list, and a tool that will make your life easier. In the past, I used to use like 50, 60 websites and scan over news and different indicators. Now it's all built into one tool, and I'm going to post that link just below. I'm not even going to name it for you. I just want you to click it and see so that you actually understand you should be clicking around. I can't tell you how many lazy people, lazy students I run into where you're like, just give me this, just give me hot picks, just give me alerts. No, you have to get obsessed with learning. You have to get obsessed with clicking around on the internet and seeing where it leads. So this tool, which I'm not going to name here, will change your life. I use it every single day to build my watch list. But what is actually on my watch list? Well, I'm looking at potential trades. So for me, I am always looking at the recent winners in the stock market, the recent biggest percent gainers over 1 day, 3 days, over 5 days, stocks that are already in play. I know many people who trade penny stocks, they're looking for like a diamond in the rough, right? Like they're looking for some company that has the cure for cancer, or, found this amazing oil plot of land in, Yemen. I don't know. There's so many different potential penny stocks with these, promised technologies, and they're almost all full of BS. For me, I want to trade only actively traded penny stocks that are already spiking. That's why that tool that I was teasing you about, guess what? It has 40 plus built-in scans, and I'm looking for all of them every single day because I'm looking for the biggest percent winners over different time frames, or not necessarily even just a big percent winner, sometimes just a stock that has been a recent winner in the past few days or weeks, and maybe it's just holding near its highs. And I want to be alert and ready for if and when it breaks those highs, because then it's going to pop up on everybody's scanners only when it breaks out. But if you're watching it ahead of time, you can kind of say, wait, I'm waiting for it to break out, and you're prepared ahead of others. That's the beauty of this niche. There's not much competition. Most people are idiots. Most people have very little to no money. So they don't understand you can watch stocks before they break out. Okay? A lot of people see a breakout, then it comes up on their scanners, and they're all excited and they rush in. And for me and my top students, we've been watching the stocks that are close to getting to break out, right? We're waiting. We're not necessarily buying. I don't like to buy stocks before the breakout, but I am waiting. I'm sitting there. I say oftentimes I trade like a sniper. I'm sitting there in my sniper position, waiting for a sign, waiting for news, waiting for big volume, waiting for a breakout. But at least with my watch list, you too can be prepared ahead of time. And then you kind of laugh when all these other chat rooms and all these technical traders say, oh my God, it's a breakout. And like it just happened out of the blue, and they're all buying after they see it. And for us, guess what? Because we're prepared, we can get in a little early and then sell into all the lazy people's buying. That's frankly how my top students and I have made millions of dollars, by being there, not necessarily so early where we're just trading a random stock that is not even close to breaking out, but being a little early before big potential moves. And also understanding that big potential moves take days or even weeks on some of these penny stocks, because you're trading in a niche that pretty much the whole world hates, and because this niche is full of financially naive people, right? Like people with very little money. They're not using necessarily all technical breakouts. They actually believe in these companies' technology. They won't make it through a video lesson like this because I'm not giving any specific hot picks. So they're like, I don't need to study. I just want a hot pick. I just want alerts. And they're in these stupid chat rooms run by non-millionaires, non-transparent traders, and they just buy the same stock and they all crowd each other and they're idiots. And it's like, I've been doing this for 20 years. So I'm not bitter, I'm thankful. If you know any idiot who frankly chases alerts, don't tell them. We need those idiots, because those idiots drive up prices and we can buy ahead of those idiots if you understand, wait a minute, let me look at these stocks before the technical breakout. Let me look at these stocks during the technical breakout and seeing which ones have the most legs. It's not just about, a stock hitting new highs. It should have news. It should have big volume. If you've seen my DVDs, if you've seen my video lessons, you know that there are certain indicators that I like, whether it's an earnings winner or a new billionaire investor or some new product. There's a lot of stuff going on, and that's how I build my watch list. And I'm judging based on 20 years of experience, based on the potential for breakouts if I'm buying, or based on the news, or based on, a hot sector. There's a lot of things, but that's what I look at. That's why I prepare. That's why I prepare you. So let me know if you want to be prepared or not. Again, leave a comment underneath this video saying I will prepare, but only if you prepare. If you're lazy and you don't want to prepare, get off my page. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.